This is the chicken, ground chicken that I use. I would use 4 pack of this. No?
These are the ingredients for the meatballs. First, you need 2 eggs. You need ground black pepper. You need granulated garlic. You need cornstarch. You also need some salt. You also need some tapioca starch. You need some seasoning sauce, mushroom soy sauce, chicken base mix, and you'll also need some baking powder. And you're also gonna need some water. First, you're gonna need 2 full cups of tapioca starch. And then after that, you're gonna need some water. You need to add 2 cups. And you're also gonna need a 1/4 measuring cup. And you're only gonna add 1 spoonful of that. After that, you're gonna need some baking powder, and you are going to add half of the spoonful. And remember that this is only a 1/4. And then after that, you are going to need a full spoonful of garlic powder, granulated garlic, 2 spoonfuls. And then after that, you are going to need one spoonful of black pepper. After that, you are going to need 1 spoonful of chicken flavor soup base mix. And then after that, you're gonna need about 1 teaspoon of salt. About 1 teaspoon of salt. And then after that, you're gonna need some seasoning sauce. You are going to add about 2 teaspoons of seasoning sauce. And then after that, you are going to need another 2 teaspoons of mushroom soy sauce. And then after that, you are going to need 2 eggs, and you're going to crack them into the bowl. And then after that, you are going to mix all the ingredients. after that, you're just going to put all the chicken into a bowl, and then after that, you're just going to mix it with this sauce. Remember, we're using 4 packs of chicken. After that, it doesn't really matter how you like grind it up, but just grind it up.
Make sure you get it in all the pieces. Make sure you get it in all parts of the chicken.
Because it's turning out to be a little watery, we're going to add 2 cups of this rice flour. It's the red one, not the green one. But we're only using the red one. After we added the rice flour, it's starting to look a little bit better now and not as watery as before. You're going to have to mix it again, so you can put it in a mixture like that one. Then after that, you can just put it in the mixer, or like I said earlier, you can just use the blender. But make sure that it doesn't get too mushy. And if you're using a mixer, make sure to only set it to 3. And after you're done mixing it, you're just gonna take it out, and you want the consistency to be like this. Not too mushy, but not too solid either. You want the consistency to be just right, that you can make little meatballs out of it, and it's gonna stay in place. Then after that, you're just going to cover it up and put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Then right after you're done putting it in the fridge, you want to prep the water so it can get ready to boil. And if you're using like a pretty big pot, you might want to fill it up to about this much. After you're done, you can just put it on the stove and set the temperature on high. And then if you're feeling not so lazy, you can like clean up your workspace. After the 20 minutes is up, then you can just take it out, and by then you should have a pot of boiling water. And if not, then you can also wait a little bit more until you get boiling water. After 20 minutes, this is what it should look like. Not that much different, but I think it should feel a little bit fuller. And then after that, you should also have some like normal water prepped and ready, so that you can put the meatball in after you're done making it, so it doesn't get dry and sticky. You can also use this tool to help you scoop out meatballs. should look like this. And then keep in mind that the ones that are cooked will stay at the top and the ones that aren't will stay at the bottom. After that, you can just scoop it out and put it into the water. That's all. And here's the inside of one that is cooked. Here's what it should look like. Ew. So good. It should have like a pretty like squishy but firm feel to it.